Hello from Tosh Tyres. I've got a Vauxhall Mokka here on a 2015 plate. Just going to show you the oil filter location. This is one of the worst locations again. That's the oil filter housing right there. I've already got it out, but it's right on the back of the engine, just right there. I mean, as you can see, the way I took it out, not a single drop. What you got to do is undo the filter first, remove the cap, remove the dipstick, remove the cap, and then undo the filter really slow so the oil can drain into the sump itself, and then do not take it out all the way. Once the oil is drained out, that's when you take it out. But yeah, this is mechanical worst nightmare again. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.